Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did these mermaid nails on my sister. I picked up two brand new Creation gel polishes. This is a new brand to me. I've never used it before, but it's spelled C-R-E-8, the number 8, T-I-O-N, and this is the Mermaid collection. I picked up two colors. One is MM04 and MM29. I used both of these colors on this design. We altered each color, so we used one color on one nail and then the other color on the other nail. So that's how we did all 10 fingers. And then I also used clear jelly stamper stamping plate, the lace, one of the lace ones, because one of the lace designs looked like a mermaid scale, so we used that. And then I also used the bundle monster plate for her mermaid on her thumbs and the bitch I'm a mermaid on her ring finger. And then I also used clear jelly stampers silver stamping polish. And both of these colors from Creation are fairly new to me. I've never heard of this brand. And these are LED UV soak off gel polishes. I want to stamp these. I want to stamp, not stamp. I want to swatch these on different bases because on here I used the black base and it came out pretty. But I want to try swatching these on like different colors, like a pink or white, just to see what effect they give or how they look. So be sure to check the description box for all the products I used and for the number plates or name of the plate. And I guess that's it, everybody. I'll leave y'all to the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.